Hello everyone! In the previous video we were blinking the diode. It was fun, but apart from the Christmas tree lights, it wasn't the most practical project in the world. Today we will try to prepare a more practical project simulating the system from real world. We will build a button-responsive traffic light. If you have decided to learn Arduino together with me, I strongly encourage you to watch the previous video, as I will now explain the elements introduced before. We will need, of course, diodes: red, yellow and green, breadboard, button and our Arduino Uno. Let's connect the diodes to pins number 7, 8 and 9 and the ground to both minus lines on the breadboard. Remember to use 250 ohm resistors to protect our diodes, as any device improperly used becomes a smoke machine. Pin responsible for reading state of the button will be pin number 10. One leg of the button should be connected to pin number 10 and the second one to the ground. Our circuit is ready. Let's code. To make this film shorter and easy to watch, I will show you the code and explain it step by step. As always, at the beginning, we have to set needed constants. Today, we will control 3 diodes separately, and because of that, the good choice will be to name the diode pins by color of the diodes: red, yellow, green. Constant for the button pin will be named button. Now we have to choose the mode for every pin. Diode control pins have to be in output mode, while button pin should be in input pull-up mode, because we want it to serve as input of our system. Let's go to the loop. Assume that our traffic lights will be placed on the pedestrian crossing. When there is no pedestrians, the red light should be on for the pedestrians and green should be on for the cars. Let's begin from turning on the red light, that will be on till the button will be pressed. To check the state of the button, we will use function digital read that has one parameter, pin number, and it returns state of that pin. We want program to turning on the light changing sequence only after pressing the button, which means connecting its pin to the ground. Because of that, with the help of function if, we will check if read pin state is equal to low. If it will, program has to turn the red light off immediately, but we have to give drivers time to stop their cars, so we will turn the yellow light on for 2 seconds. Now we turn on the green light for 5 seconds. Okay, now we have all what we need, but for the pedestrians' safety, it is better to give them signal that green time is running out. For this, let's make green diode blinking after 5 seconds. We will make the special function blink, just for blinking, to keep our code clear. This function will need 3 parameters: diode pin number, time of single blink, number of blinks. It will be the void function because we don't need it to return any value. To make our code more readable, on the top we will place only type, name and list of its parameters, while the whole function's body will be right under the loop function. In our function's body, we will use the for loop that will execute a set number of times. This type of loop uses additional variable to monitor how many times the loop has executed itself. After every run of the loop, the variable is incremented and the loop breaking condition is checked. In our case, loop should be running until I is lower than set number of blinks. In every loop run, chosen diode should blink 1 time. We will get it done by using the digital write and delay functions. Okay, our code is ready. Let's run the simulation. click. Everything works as planned. Another great victory! Now it's time for the desk test. Here is my circuit, built the same way as in the simulation. As we can see, after clicking the button, everything works properly. It's all for today. Thank you for being with me and see you in the next video.